Good morning, my friends. Happy Wednesday. Had to think what day it was. It is so hard for me to believe that we are halfway through the month of June. How did that even happen? I don't even know. June is flying by. Okay, so here is our Layered Thoughts stamp set. It just makes such quick and easy cards. I am using the Thank You today from the Layered Thoughts. I'm using Strawberry Slush and Pretty in Pink. I love these colors. I'm using, you guys, I'm using these gorgeous, here, let me take them out because they're going to glare. They're the Strawberry Slush and Pretty in Pink gems. And oh my gosh, you guys, in person, they are gorgeous. And then I have a piece of Strawberry Slush cardstock. I have a piece of Basic White, and I have a whole bunch of pieces with the Florals in Bloom paper. Here's the back side of this paper. I even like that side. So it's the Florals in Bloom paper. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put glue all over the back of this mat, which is just where we can write a little message if we want. Okay, so super simple. Then I'm going to take these two pieces of the Florals in Bloom designer paper, and I did cut it originally and then just cut it in half again. The measurements are, like I said, in the tutorial, but you can see where I cut it in half. It just makes it flow a little bit better, I think, although they're on different pages, so honestly, it probably doesn't matter. Okay, so we're just going to glue that. Oops, I almost glued it upside down. Don't do that. And I glued that on the inside flap. And then I'm going to glue this one on the outside flap. So let me make sure I don't have this upside down. So technically, friends, this is a fun fold, but it's so stinking easy that I don't really know that I'm going to call it a fun fold, because it's just way too easy. But I think the end result is really pretty. So let me glue this down onto the gorgeous Strawberry Slush cardstock. I have to be honest, I wasn't, I like Strawberry Slush, but boy, this year I've just like fallen in love with Strawberry Slush. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to glue it on here. I want to have it cover this white. I could go, if it's easier for you, just go all the way over to the end. I just kind of want it to go there. So I am going to put my thumb here so I know where I can put adhesive, so I don't put too much adhesive on and accidentally glue my card shut, which goodness knows, friends, I have done. And then I'm just going to put it on here and line it up, do my best to get it straight. There, that looks pretty good. So now we've got this little flap. Glue that down so it's down. And now we're going to do a little bit of stamping. That's the thing about this stamp set. It doesn't take a lot of stamping. Oh, Michelle, you could use any designer paper on this. Any designer paper. Okay, so I'm going to take my thank, and because this is it's a bold stamp, but it's also very detailed, mainly because, let me bring this in, all the lines. That brush stroke is so cool, but it's kind of detailed and kind of bold all at the same time. So you're not going to want to squish this into your stamp pad. You're just going to rock it all around your stamp pad, okay? And then I'm going to move this down as far as I can so I can stamp it straight, although it doesn't really matter. And then I'm going to press it down fairly hard. Give it a minute for that ink to soak into the paper because it is such a light color. There we go. Our Pretty in Pink done. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring out Strawberry Slush. Love this color. Okay, so I am going to tap the U all over the pad very gently. And like I've told you guys before, it does not matter where you put this. That's the beauty of this set. You can actually put it anywhere you want. I could have put it down here. It doesn't matter. That's the beauty of it. Okay. And now what I'm going to do is I am going to glue this onto the Strawberry Slush cardstock. Okay. Here we go. And I am going to do my best to center that. I think that's pretty good. I'm going to bring out my Stampin' Dimensionals, and I'm going to put 5 on. I could do 6, I suppose, but I don't think I need it. Then I'm going to bring out my Take Your Pick tool because heaven knows my hand needs the help today. And I'm just going to lift these liners off and make a mess here on my desk. Where is the weirdest place you've ever found a liner from a Stampin' Dimensional? I find them all the time in my bra. I've found them in my cup. I found them all over. Let me know where the strangest place is you've found a Stampin' Dimensional liner. Okay, and I'm going to line this up. Oh, I guess I should be over more. Sorry, guys. I'm going to line this up. Try to do it right in the center. And there we have our folded card. Quick and easy. I'm not done yet. Now I'm debating. What do you guys think? Honestly, this stamp set is so simple and the paper is so beautiful. I don't really know that I need to put gems on here, but I can't help myself. I'm a gem addict. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to use the small gems. Whoops. Let me take this off my Take Your Pick tool. I'm going to put a small Strawberry Slush, I think right here. I'm going to put another small Strawberry Slush. Ooh, I think I want to bring my eye down from there. I'm going to do my triangle, as I always do. And then I'm going to put a teeny tiny one. I think I'll do it. Ooh, this is a tougher one. I think I'll do it right there. So what do you guys think? Gems, yes. Gems, no. I honestly don't think I needed it on this card. But, you know, if you got them, flaunt them, right? Here we go. So there you go, guys. Let me just show you the card one more time. Lots of room for writing inside. You could also stamp another sentiment in here if you wanted to. Okay, let me move my camera back over. Okay, so have a great rest of your day, my friends. Enjoy the weather. Go into your craft room, make a card, and send it because someone out there needs to know that you're thinking of them. I'll talk to you later, guys. Bye.